Digital temperature adjustment procedures. Plug in and turn on the baking unit. The LED readout will begin to flash. Allow the unit to reach its preset baseline temperature. This takes approximately 18 minutes. 3 short beeps will sound and the LED will stop flashing. Locate the concealed program button, which is 1/2 inch directly to the left of the LED readout. With your left index finger, press and hold the programming button. With your right index finger, press and hold the start button, which is below and to the right of the LED readout. Release both buttons and observe the baseline grid temperature on the LED readout. To adjust the temperature up, press the plus symbol. To adjust the temperature down, press the minus symbol. Both symbols are located below the LED readout. Do not increase or decrease the temperature more than 10 degrees per adjustment. When the desired temperature appears on the LED readout, return to the Conceal Program button and press it 1 time. Your bake time will reappear on the LED readout.